Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best option in the world of pencils, the Ticonderoga wood-cased pencils, specifically the 48-count pre-sharpened pack. If you're someone who values quality writing tools, whether for school, office work, or creative projects, these pencils might just be what you need. Right off the bat, Ticonderoga pencils stand out due to their exclusive No. 2 graphite formula. This proprietary blend is carefully sourced and crafted to deliver an incredibly smooth writing experience. Unlike ordinary pencils that can feel scratchy or break easily, Ticonderoga's graphite core is thick and soft enough to produce broad, consistent lines without crumbling or flaking. This makes writing and drawing both effortless and precise. The wood casing is another feature that elevates these pencils. Made from premium wood harvested responsibly from managed forests, the pencils offer a smooth and even sharpening experience. This means fewer broken points and less frustration while sharpening. The pencils come pre-sharpened, saving you time and ensuring they are ready to use straight out of the box. Visually, these pencils sport a classic golden yellow lacquer with a coated matte finish that looks both professional and durable. The iconic green and gold ferrules securely hold a latex-free eraser that's designed to erase cleanly without smudging, making corrections quick and neat. Safety is also a priority here. These pencils are PMA certified non-toxic, so they're safe for kids as well as adults. This makes them perfect for classrooms, homes, and offices alike. Ticonderoga is a brand with a rich history and reputation, trusted by educators and professionals for generations. Their commitment to quality shows in every pencil, making them a reliable choice if you want a writing instrument that performs well every time. When you get the 48-count pack, you're getting a solid quantity that's ideal for classrooms, offices, or just stocking up at home. The pencils are lightweight, comfortable to hold for extended periods, and offer an enjoyable tactile writing experience. In summary, the Ticonderoga wood-cased, pre-sharpened No. 2 pencils combine smooth graphite, premium responsibly sourced wood, reliable erasers, and a trusted brand heritage into one excellent product. Whether you're taking notes, sketching, or filling out forms, these pencils deliver consistent quality and ease of use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for dependable, high-quality pencils that don't let you down, the Ticonderoga 48-count pre-sharpened pack is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews and critiques. See you next time.